Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we're going to cover the very basics of working with text in Microsoft Word, typing, deleting, and selecting text. These simple skills are the foundation for everything else you'll do when creating a document. Let's start with typing text. Typing in Word is straightforward. First, open your document and click anywhere in the blank area. You'll see a blinking vertical line called the cursor. Wherever the cursor is, that's where your text will appear. Just start typing on your keyboard, and the words will be inserted right at that spot. If you want to begin a new line or paragraph, simply press the Enter key. Now let's look at deleting text. Sometimes you'll make a mistake or want to remove part of your writing. There are a few easy ways to do this. If you press the backspace key, Word deletes the character just before the cursor. Hold it down to keep deleting continuously. The delete key works in the opposite direction. It removes the character right after the cursor. Again, if you hold it down, it keeps deleting forward. And if you want to remove a whole word, sentence, or even a paragraph, you can select the text first and then press either backspace or delete. Finally, let's talk about selecting text. Selecting is important because it lets you do more than just delete. You can also copy, cut, or apply formatting. There are a few simple methods. With your mouse, click at the start of the text, hold the left mouse button, and drag across the words until everything you want is highlighted. You can also use the Shift key and arrow keys. Place the cursor where you want to start, hold Shift, and tap the arrow keys to extend the selection. And if you want to highlight the entire document in one step, just press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. That's it for this lesson. Practice these steps a few times, and you'll be ready to move on to more advanced editing tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.